This is a demo of the activities report available for company owners in the provider portal. Please note, this demo is completed in a staging environment and therefore there is no personally identifiable information displayed. From the Home tab, the provider can click Activity Reports. This is a new field or a new tab that's available. There are 3 reports available, one for rejected activities, one for activities that are in a pending, approved, or ready for invoicing status, and a third report for invoiced activities. When you select the invoiced activity, you can select a date range for the invoicing date. So invoicing is completed on the 3rd and 18th of each month. So I'm just going to pick April 3rd to April 18th. And then I'm going to apply invoiced filters. Now you can see here are all of the activities in a status of invoiced that were invoiced on April 3rd or April 18th. I have a column for the child's name, case ID, activity number, activity date of session, the service provider, the status. I need to scroll down to get to my scroll bar at the bottom. After status, I have the rate hourly, 15-minute units, over unit justification, total amount, Medicaid ID, and description. All of these columns can be sorted using the up or down arrow button. So if I want to sort by the type of service, I can do that. I can sort them in ascending order with the arrow pointing up or descending order with the arrow pointed down. Again, all services start with EI colon. So we can see speech language, speech stipend, provider travel. You can also adjust the activities, the rows to view per page. So you can see 10, 20, 50, or 100. If you're only viewing 10, you can move to the next page, or you can go to the previous page. On my invoicing report, there's an additional filter for invoice months. So if I just want to select activities invoiced in April, I can select April from the available and I can move it over to selected. And again, I'm going to apply invoice filter. Now we see all of the activities that were invoiced in April. As with all of the reports, you can filter them by client name, activity name, which is this activity number, ACT, plus a number, or the case ID. That is this case ID here. So here's 2005 7 oh 7 6 5 6. Here's everything that's invoiced for that case. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm on rejected. So here's everything that's been rejected for this case. You can see the status of rejected and the reason for rejected. You can also look for anything that's in pending, approved, or ready for invoicing for this case. Or we can search for the invoiced ones. Here we can see all invoiced activities for this case. Each report also has the ability to export as a CVS. So in doing this, it will export everything that is listed here. So this is showing 1 of 15 pages because I have it limited to 10 rows per page. But if I export as a CSV, I need to save it as a comma separated value file. I can save it. The way this works on my computer is that I get a little pop-up here telling me provider portal. And this popped up on another screen, so I'll just drag it over here. It's automatically saved as provider portal activity report, pending ready. It probably says pending ready for invoicing approved. And here it is in a CSV. You can see it downloaded all of the records. So in this example, there were 146. And I can apply filters, manipulate it in any way that I so choose here. You will see for this credit activity, this is reading is false. There are some fields that will come across as a true or false value, but everything else should display exactly as you saw it in the provider portal. So I'm just going to go ahead and close that. This is the activities report functionality within the provider portal. If you have any questions, please reach out to EI Colorado's data team. We will support you in whatever way is needed. Thank you.